At 2013, I learned about quick response codes and ways that I could use quick response or QR codes in the classroom. So I had an idea using Spelling Tic Tac Toe, which I use, and I'm going to share with you how you might use QR codes with the students. They do need a device, a computer, an iPad, some kind of smart device where they can scan the codes for this to be able to work. In my classroom we have one-to-one computers, so it will work with the computers. So first, I've already started a spelling tic-tac-toe. Up here I've placed a QR code for the spelling list, and you can see a document that has 9 squares of different activities. So I've started placing the QR codes to give you an idea of what it looks like. Here's my first QR code. By the way, the first thing they do is write their words 3 times in their very best handwriting. That's their must-do in the middle. And then my students can pick 3 other activities with their spelling list that they'd like to do. So I've created one that's entirely computer-based, except for the central assignment. So let me show you how you might insert QR codes and have the students use them. Here, the next section I need to tackle is create a word search on Discovery Puzzle Maker and turn it in on Edmodo. So I'm going to link them right to Discovery Puzzle Maker. They already have their list. Their list is here in this, embedded in this QR code. So I'm going to come over here to Discovery Education. And in step 5, right here on this page, is where they would type the words with commas to create their puzzle. But all I want to do is link them to this puzzle maker. So I take the link, I copy it, and then I learned about this qrstuff.com, where you can create QR codes for all these different data types that are listed on the left side. This page also sells all kinds of other fun things like t-shirts and mugs, and whatever you can put a QR code on, they will do it for you. For today we're just going to take a website URL, click here, paste in. I'm going to leave the color black, although you could make it a different color, and I'm going to download the QR code. It downloads that quick. I double click on it. Since I'm new to this, there might be a shorter way to do this, but I'm not sure how to do that. So what I did is just took my file, image, saved it as, and in this case it's going to be my word search QR. If you don't name them, you're going to get confused by all the codes. So I would rename them. I threw it on the desktop, saved it, went back to my document. Here's where I want my QR code, in this box right here. So I insert. It's now a photo on my desktop. Here's word search, insert. It's kind of giant, so I'm going to click and resize it so it kind of matches the other size. Align it a little bit, and now I've got a second QR code ready to go. In here I'm also going to have them make a Wordle with their spelling list. They're going to write their word, the favorite one, 5 times, which will make that word stand out in their Wordle. And they're going to pick some other words to type multiple times, also to make them stand out. And they will have to have each spelling word at least 1 time. So we'll do one more example. Go back to my Wordle, and here's the link. All I want to do is paste all we're doing is really making links for the students to follow so that they can scan the codes and go right to the right spot. So again, copy the link, go to my QR code generator, paste the link, download it, there it goes. I'm going to save it as this one's Wordle. Put it back on my desktop. Go back to my Word document. This one's going to be kind of tiny. Insert picture, Wordle. Again, shrink it so it's about the same size. And there I've got now my spelling list, an Edmodo link right here, the word search right here, Wordle right here, and later I'm going to go in and do a crossword puzzle, another Edmodo link, Spelling City link, and another Edmodo link for them to turn in the typed assignments. The students can use these on their computers and cross them out as they go through to turn in with their assignment on Friday. So I'll have a paper document that they will have scanned from. I'll have some kind of something to use for my grade book to look and cross-check which assignments they did. So it looks like fun, and we're going to try it this week.